Next one is Wood Chic by AG. And I don't remember whose shop this is. So if you have any questions, if you're here, let me know so we can see what it could help you out with. And I like this. Buyers are raving. This shop got multiple 5-star reviews in the past 7 days. Thank you, Rachel. So this is Alessandra's shop. And let's check it out. You're welcome, Jared. And let's check this one out. This looks interesting right here. We got a sand tray. Very interesting sand tray. So you can sand tray, wooden sand tracing tray, Montessori inspired, preschool learning, homeschool, ABC, reading, spelling, writing, educational toy. Wow, that's cute. I don't know. That's a cute photo there. I get these ideas. Some little kid playing with it, and it's a nice image in my mind. It's cute, you know, to see. Imagine some little kid and like learning how to write E and an F. You know, that's funny. That'd be fun. So we got sand tray. So I don't know that sand tray is your best keyword there, because sand tray is going to be very broad. You know. But this one, wooden sand tracing K, is much more on the point, right? So if we just look up sand tray, 1,878 results. So it's a decent keyword. It actually isn't bad, but it is, and it mostly looks like it is your kind of product. So I'm corrected there. But yeah, you do see that there are a couple of Zen gardens and some other stuff going on. But let's see, sand tray Montessori, 223. So not quite as good because it's a little bit too long. Let's try wooden sand tracing tray, only 70 results. So it looks like you were on the point with this one right here, sand tray from the beginning. That does look like your best keyword right there. And it looks like it's got, that one has 1,800 results. 1878. So I'm wrong. You're right. You got the right keywords there. And you got the little thing. Select an option. No sand, pink sand, blue sand, beige sand. Okay, great. And let's look at the materials down here. Sand tray material. Maple or other hardwoods may be available. Letter stand. Stylus. Finish. Sand, letter cards, and visual aids. So this right here, I would recommend adding that as an option to include the letter cards, because people love to get everything all at once. That way they don't have to make, you know, multiple trips. They don't have to purchase from multiple places. And, you know, me personally, I like the cards you already have there, and it makes it easier. So I would really recommend selling these with the cards. And you could include, and you could either do an option with cards or without cards, but I think having the cards included would be better. And if I, you know, personally was shopping for this and I found this item, I would prefer to find one that has the cards included. That way I've only got to make one purchase. I don't have to think about it. You know, and I don't have to go, you know, look around for the cards separately. So I think that would help you out a little bit. It's just to make it all inclusive, put the cards in there and sell them as a whole package. Let's look at this one here. We've got a solid wooden name puzzle, 3D, wood toys, toddler toys, Montessori inspired. So we got how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 to 12. Okay, great. Select an option, base and letters. Let's see, how many letters is my name? Like 5. No. CHARLES, 7. Okay. I had to count. Let's see, maple base and walnut, cherry base, maple base and zebra. Maple base and zebra. Now, let's see, do you have a photo that shows which one's which? Don't see a photo. So I would recommend a photo that makes it really clear what's what, because, you know, I don't know the difference between cherry, maple, walnut. I mean, I know there's a difference, but I mean, if you put those 3 pieces of wood in front of me and you asked me to pick which one's which, I'm not really going to know. What maple, I would imagine maple is a lighter color, cherry's darker, walnut's probably in the middle. walnut maybe is a lighter color. I don't know. So that would be important to have a photo showing off the different colors, and which one's which, because you've got a lot of different options here. Maple and walnut, you have a zebra one, and I'm guessing this one is the zebra because it has the stripes, but you should have a color, like one of your photos should just show all of the different pieces of wood and labels, so I know exactly which one is which. Now, the last thing on this listing, this first color is in natural light, but these other ones, it looks like you almost have like a black and white photo, and I don't think you want that on here. You don't want to put a filter on your item, because I don't know what the true color is then, and it's very important to me as a purchaser that I know what the true color is. And these ones are very, yeah, they looks like most of the color has been stripped out. It just looks like almost looks like a black and white photo. Not quite. I don't know, maybe it was just the lighting or something. This one looks a little more natural. This one looks a little more natural. But some of these photos are like almost, like this one almost looks black and white. And I don't think that's a good idea at all, because then people don't know what the real colors of the wood is. And I don't think they're going to buy because of that. So I'd recommend make sure don't put any filters, make sure your photos are true to color, and really show the item off the best way possible.